How to post on Instagram from PC. This tutorial shows you how to upload a photo or video to Instagram directly from your Windows 11 browser. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. From there, go to Instagram.com and log into your account if you are not already signed in. From there, click on the plus icon at the left side of the page to start creating a new post. Once done, click on Select from Computer to browse your files. Following this, choose the photo or video you want to upload from your PC and click on Open. From here, apply any filters or edits available and click on Next. At this stage, write your caption, add a location, or tag people if you want, then click on Share to publish your post. Finally, go back to your profile and confirm your new post has uploaded successfully and is showing correctly. And that's it. If this guide helped you post on Instagram from your PC, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.